In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Looker Studio report in just 5 minutes. Alright, let's dive straight into the process, which is surprisingly straightforward. Yet there are some key steps and tips I'd like to share with you to make your journey smoother. To begin with, we'll navigate to the Looker Studio website. This is your gateway to creating, managing, and sharing data visualizations that can provide insights into your data in a very graphical, easy to understand manner. Simply type https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted with a login page. Once you're on the Looker Studio page, the next step is clicking on the Home button. This is where all your magic begins. It's the starting point for creating new reports or accessing existing ones. It's like the dashboard of Looker Studio, where everything is at your fingertips. Now, to proceed, you'll have to enter your email address. This is a standard login procedure that ensures the security and privacy of your reports. Looker Studio uses this information to pull up your account and show you your existing projects, or to allow you to start fresh. After typing in your email, the next step is entering your password and then clicking on Login. This is a critical step. Ensuring that your account is safe and secure is a top priority, and Looker Studio does not take this lightly. Make sure your password is strong and known only to you. Once you have successfully logged in, it's time to go to the Looker Studio main interface. You can simply click on the provided link within our guide to quickly jump to the Looker Studio reporting section. This is where you'll find your reports, data sources, and a variety of tools to help visualize your data. Next up, let's select the report you wish to copy. For this demonstration, let's click on Marketing Campaign Report, which we'll use as our existing report example. It's crucial to know what report you're looking for beforehand to make this process as smooth as possible. Upon selecting your report, look for a 3-dot button beside the view. This is a more options menu that holds various actions you can take on the report, but the one we're interested in today is Make a Copy. This feature is incredibly useful for creating templates or starting points for new reports based on the structure of existing ones. Click on Make a Copy. A new window or a prompt will appear, giving you options to customize your copy, such as renaming the report or choosing which data sources to attach. This step is important because it allows you to customize the report for a different project or audience without having to start from scratch. Finally, confirm your choices by clicking on Copy Report, and just like that, you've successfully made a copy of a Looker Studio report. This new report is now fully editable, allowing you to tweak and change it to fit your specific needs. You can now explore the myriad of visualizations Looker Studio offers, from simple line charts to complex geomaps, all with your data. And there you have it, folks, a simple yet detailed guide on how to copy a Looker Studio report in just about 5 minutes. This process saves you time and effort, especially when working on multiple projects or when you need to maintain consistency across your reports. Remember, Looker Studio is a powerful tool that can help you make sense of your data visually. Make sure to explore its features, play with different types of visualizations, and see how you can transform your raw data into insightful, actionable information. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. For more tips and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Happy data visualizing!